Hey guys, it's Diego. I wanted to make a quick little update video, nothing too crazy. Maybe a little install video. I ended up doing a thing. Tires are gone, wheels are gone, and the replacements just showed up. I didn't think I'd be putting new wheels on the truck, but I kind of had these put away for about 3 weeks. I got them right before the transmission went out on this thing. And I had some tires laying around, so I threw some tires on it. And now I'm just gotta put them on this truck just so that she can get rolling around whenever the transmission comes in. I don't have to worry about wheels and tires. Currently, the transmission's still out and getting rebuilt. We're just waiting on parts. It takes them a day or two to put it together. So nothing too crazy there. I was kind of expecting it, but I wasn't really expecting to do this much work while waiting for the transmission. But got these pretty nice wheels. I got the caps inside the other truck, and at the same time as that situation was getting figured out, Speed Engineering pulled through a little bit early on me and got these goodies in. I'll open them up in a minute and show you what's in there. So, got it open. Flip that out. Right here. This little protective cover. What is this? I'll figure that out in a minute. And ooh, that's okay. I already got new gaskets over there, but that is not good. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. Connections right there. And there. Perfect. That's kind of low-key what I was worried about, that you didn't have O2 bungs. I thought I was going to have to like start drilling into them, but no. Speed Engineering headers come with O2 sensor connections. Sweet. And I believe this right here, this box, is going to be the Y pipe. There we go. Y pipe right there. Flange for that connects to the stock exhaust. Bend right there. And clamps. I've heard reviews on these clamps that they're not the world's greatest clamps, so I might be replacing these out soon, but for right now, since the truck's not even running, I'm not going to worry about this. That's going to come down later. Time to get these out of its plastic and on the truck to go. Scratch that wheel first. Then that. Yeah. So, update. Wheels and tires are on. Looking clean. And then I got, a little hard to see, new heat wrap on the long tube headers, new gaskets, spark plug wires are a little dirty, spark plugs are back in. I thought I did a time lapse, but it's gone, so sorry. But now I'm just putting the spark plugs in. I'm going to put the starter in, and I'm going to get this thing a little test run and make sure nothing's leaking, because I did put new gaskets, head gaskets, the rear main seal, the oil pan. I re-gasketed the whole thing, even the little grommets on the valve covers, and the little veiler neck oil cap delete. So there's a EGR plug with the EGR delete plug right there. So not too far away from starting this bad boy up and seeing what'll happen. No, she ain't cooperating. Roll.
Ready when you are. Is the battery dead?
No, I don't think so. So after a day of working on good old truck speed engineering, got all the plugs and spark plugs, coils, wires, everything's in place. I went to try and start the truck just to make sure all the gaskets weren't leaking, but it wasn't starting, and after a little bit of research, I believe the neutral safety switch is not in place underneath the truck because there is no transmission. I tried plugging it in and, you know, turning it and twisting it a little bit, trying to get it at the right level to get it started, but the truck wasn't cooperating. I was like, look, it's the weekend. Not interested. Transmission's almost here anyways. So I don't mind waiting a little bit. So I figured end it here, and then I will start working on stabbing a transmission in this thing whenever it comes in. Peace.